So Sharon, finally we are here at Malkin Hostel.
Wow, so this is the famous hostel.
Oh yes.
So this is your second investment in Goa.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Wow. Wow, this pool is much bigger, yeah?
Right? And there's a favorite flamingo. You're gonna sit on it, right?
No, I don't like the flamingo. But wow, this is such a
And
big
this
place,
is
yeah?
Nish Hair. Right here.
There's a store also inside here.
There's a store also.
So you're doing a business inside a business. Inception of business.
Exactly.
Wow.
Where do you want to start from?
I don't know. It's so big, so nice. Wow. This is like an old house.
Yeah, it's an old Goan home which I've restored and turned it into a hostel.
Give me a tour, please.
Is our reception.
So this also, I'm assuming you only designed everything.
Yes, but I got lucky with the structure and the landlord, he had this furniture. So I just restored everything. A lot of furniture that you see is landlord's. He's a very big collector.
Okay.
This is our common area.
Oh, wow.
Where-
The pool table.
There's a pool table. And I like working when I'm traveling. So it's kind of for a vacation. So you work, you chill.
Nice.
And another favorite part of mine is I
Man,
have
this will be very nice when it rains, this area.
I have my jungle gym.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Let's work out. What is this?
Oh,
70?
this one's very heavy.
Let's take this. What is that?
this.
Wow, you're so strong. How heavy is
This
that?
is 5.56 kg. It's a
Oh,
Malkin
this is like
Hostel.
very
Can you
lightweight.
see? This is a startup called Mudgar Club. They were on Shark Tank, in fact. So they make mudgars.
Oh, this is that old style of
Yes.
exercise.
So you can
Let's go here
you
and
can
exercise.
work out here, get the bigger one. So you go like this and then you have to make it stand in front.
Okay.
So one hand and then make it stand in front. Yes.
My dad used to do this.
Really?
He used to tell me when he was a young adult, he used to do this, and that's how he got strong.
Is it true or is just making
There
shit
are no
up?
videos back then, so there's no proof. So it's like I work out in the jungle gym, I come here, take a meeting, and then I go jump in the pool.
Pool.
So I think,
Exactly.
oh wow, seems like I'm in Harry Potter.
Yes, that was the inspo.
You're a Potterhead.
A bit.
So like
Yeah,
I'm
everyone was,
Gryffindor.
and there's a staircase also. You can go up and pick a
Wow,
book
I
if
can
you
go
like.
up.
You can actually. Be careful though.
Wow.
And that is a hand painted map of Goa.
How much do people pay over here to stay?
In off season, it's 900 to 800. Sorry.
That's it, 900
Yeah,
rupees per
800,
day.
900 per bed. Like this room is open if there's nobody. There's nobody come. I think the cleaning is going on. So this is
Wow, this is exactly like in Harry Potter. Is there like a proper private room if I want a full room?
I think they're booked right now.
Okay.
Else I would have shown
But
you.
it is
So
there.
It is there. There are 3 private rooms.
And how much is that?
That is 3,500 to 5,000. Again, off season is 3,500.
Okay.
And otherwise it's 5,000. So this is another entrance. And there's a church because the landlord is Catholic.
Very nice.
And you get to see this area. This is the outside area for all dorm rooms. And
Wow.
then we have the pool from here. And there are sunbeds. You chill here.
So here is where you do your parties also.
Now, this is my favorite room or favorite place to sit at. This is our common dining room.
Wow.
I know.
What? What?
I love this.
This is like, I don't know what is
Game of
this.
Thrones.
This is like that
Last
only.
Supper.
The
This
Last
is Last
Supper.
Supper.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm going to sit there only.
Wherever you like.
Wow. This is like, I'm a king with my
Yes.
subjects. What are the sales this month? Customer complaints? How are the operations doing? How is the hiring going? How much money do we have? Good. Let's go. So Parul, now tell me exactly how much money you put in this place. Like how much does it take to run a hostel in Goa?
Oh God, investment is separate and running it
Yeah, of course.
comes at different cost. I end up spending close to 6 lakhs per month to run this, including rent and electricity and salaries.
Can you tell me about the rent? How much is the rent?
3 lakhs.
So 3 lakhs a month, you get this huge bungalow with that huge compound, which is almost like half an acre or something.
Yeah,
Wow, great deal. So that's your rent.
that's my rent.
And then what about the other expenses? What else do you have?
So I invested initially 1.2 CR.
You put
Where
1.2 CR here.
I built the pool. There was a garden here.
This was made by you, the pool.
Yeah, I made it.
This was a garden.
Yeah, I chose these tiles. I mean, there was one person living in this house.
How much does a swimming pool cost to make?
It took me 18 lakhs to make this with tiles
18
and
lakhs to make a swimming pool.
It's massive.
Wow. So
Yes,
1.2 crore, you like refurbish this house.
Yes.
And now you're continuing to spend about 6 lakhs a month
Yes.
in monthly expenses.
Yes.
Now let's talk about how much money you make running this place.
On off season, it's in loss. We make 5.5 lakhs.
Okay. In the peak season, how much do you make?
I haven't seen the peak season yet, but I'm
Okay.
assuming I can do 12 lakhs.
12 lakhs.
Yes.
Wow. And I also see that there is a store also, your niche
Nish
store.
Hair.
I'm sure that makes you money also.
That covers my rent.
Oh, so that sort of makes you like 3 lakhs of revenue.
Profit
Profit.
to give the
3 lakhs of profit, of course. 3 lakhs of profit. So what is the sales over there? Like
close
10
to-
lakhs.
Yeah.
Damn, from one hostel connected to your store, you're making 10 lakhs over there, 3 lakhs profit. That pays the rent over here. And then
Yeah.
basically any money that the hostel makes is profit for you.
Kind of, yes. So I
So
can
you're-
pay salaries, I can.
So net to net, after combining that plus this in this half a acre place, how much are you making take home?
Very little.
How much? Like you just started, so obviously it'll be little.
I think barely we make because I end up keeping it for something or the other because someday a nariyal will fall on the roof. They are Mangalorean tiles. So water starts.
Mangalorean tiles?
Yes.
What is the specialty of Mangalore? I am from Mangalore. I didn't know there is something.
These are Mangalorean tiles. These are very famous. I think a lot of your houses in Mangalore may have.
Yeah, it looks like that only, but I didn't
Yeah.
know it is so special.
It's
Or
made there, or maybe it's famous from there.
Achha.
Yeah.
So when coconuts fall, you have to
they're
fix
very
it.
sensitive, and in monsoon they become soft, so water
Yeah.
can start leaking. A tree will fall someday. Electricity shortage. You need extra diesel for your generator.
So not as sexy as it looks on
Or
Instagram.
not at all. I think running an old property is hospitality business is very different.
It's very difficult. So when you put 1.2 crores, so you don't know when is the break even going to happen.
Yeah, so now I use it mainly for community activities. We
Okay.
host events like Malkin Mindset Weekend where women come and we create. I've done it only once, but I'm hoping to do it again and again. Where a lot of startup founders they come, they stay here.
Yeah.
I create content for them. I spend a whole day. I understand their business and
Oh,
I
wow,
try
you do
to
all
teach
that.
them
Nice.
how to do founder-led marketing. So
Amazing.
using it for that or any brand events like we just hosted a Bacardi event. I'm thinking of adding more activities, but I'm so scared to put in more money in this
Right.
because I don't know how soon can I. Even when I make 9 lakh a month, it's still not enough
Yeah.
for me.
Of
I
course.
don't have touched 9 lakh once or twice.
Yeah. No, I understand. When something is already losing money, you're very scared of putting in more money. But that's what makes you an entrepreneur.
Yes.
That you need to put more money even when it's not working.
Yes.
Right? But perfect. There, I think I got a very good idea about what is happening in Goa in terms of the real estate scene.
Yeah.
What is happening with buying a residential property, in terms of getting a hostel space, in terms of running a business. I think you're probably the only person that I know in Goa who's doing two things simultaneously and still somehow trying to survive, right?
Winging it.
Yeah, I think, but the first year is always tough,
Yeah.
right? But I think if this thing clicks, you're going to make a lot of money.
I'm hoping. At least, I mean.
Imagine you're starting to make 20, 25 lakhs a month. That's possible.
But inventory is less here. By inventory, I mean 30 bunk beds.
No, because you don't have a restaurant here. You don't have a kitchen. If you start offering
But
food,
kitchen is also very hard.
But if
have
you
to
crack
earn
that,
money there.
you'll have to offer food, F&B, food and alcohol. If you do that, then you'll start minting money.
So then I can do it only like how you said you acquired an engineering firm.
Yeah.
And have to acquire some kitchen or some people
Yeah.
who will do it because I don't know that.
You have to just
at
hire
all.
has a chef to join you. He gets a percentage stake and he takes care of the kitchen. And I can imagine myself sitting over there and asking for like a margarita or something. That's $1,000 you charge. You can't charge 1,000 in Goa. 500 bucks.
Was a bad charge.
500 bucks you charge over here. It's done. That's the thing, right? People come for the room, which is cheap. Spend on the food and alcohol, right? I think that's how it works.
Yeah, that'll take time.
Yeah.
So that licenses, I don't have the excise license.
But I'm sure you'll figure it out.
I will
I'm
figure
sure
it out.
next year this will be like
I
a
hope
very, very
so.
big booming business for you and you'll open more outlets, hopefully. But perfect. Thank you so much for being so candid here. I mean, it's very difficult to, talk about real numbers. Whenever I talk to entrepreneurs, they hesitate. But you've been so candid and giving out all the numbers. I'm sure it has been very enlightening for the people watching this because this is a dream for most people. I know it sort of seems like it's difficult right now, but this is the dream for most people to come here, buy a house or run a property over here and chill. I know it's not chill, but thank you so much for revealing all the numbers and being so candid.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. Now we can eat our Maggie.
Now we will eat our Maggie, guys. And guys, thank you so much for watching till the end. I enjoyed a lot. I love Goa. And if you are also somebody who has a property like this or, has a cool lifestyle like her, anywhere in India, please let me know. And I will come to your place very, very soon to understand the numbers behind the lifestyle. On that note, I'll see you in the next one.
Glad you made it till here. If this gave you even one idea to improve your finances, send it to a friend. Helping them might just make you the smartest person in their group chat. And don't miss the full episode on Finance with Sharan. There's a lot more where this came from.